Good to have you with us in this edition of News Here, and we start with our special focus as part of Mera Now's campaign on JEE NEET exams. We are bringing to you more voices. Viewers, there are two separate issues. One, of course, is what's happening with the college exams and the Supreme Court ruling, but we want to focus more on what's going to happen now in the first week of September and then 13th of September, the JEE and the NEET examination. We are not saying postpone it indefinitely. We are not even saying cancel it. But we are saying that the governments need to hear the voices of the candidates, the students, exam aspirants, and their issues. These issues have to be resolved. When assembly sessions can be curtailed to a single day on account of health reasons and coronavirus, why is it that we are not factoring in that lakhs of students will have to travel outside of their hometown or city or village to the examination center? Public transport isn't easy to come by. Even if there is public transport, there is the issue of social distancing. The India that lives outside of big cities may not necessarily be able to afford private transport, hiring a cab. Most of them may not even own their own vehicle, which is why they will have to look at other options. How are these people going to reach their examination centers? Widen the center, widen the state governments, widen the National Testing Agency. Think of this scenario, of this situation. This is the point of our campaign. Through the day, for the last 2 days, we've been flooded with phone calls. We've been flooded with videos that students are sending to us, and our intention is to only highlight their voice in the hope that the states at least understand what is the problem. So let's go across to those who are joining us right now. Kapil Gupta, founder and CEO of NEET Prep, is with us. Dheeraj Kumar, JEE aspirant from Betaya in West Champaran district. Sanat Alok, also from Bihar. Shivkan Singh Rajput, joining me from Samastipur, and Preeti Pandey from Chhattisgarh, joining me right now. These are our exams aspirants, students who will be taking these exams. Let me actually start with Preeti. Preeti, how far is your examination center and how are you planning to travel? Preeti, you'll need to unmute your mic. We can't hear you. Okay, I'm just going to tell Preeti again to unmute her mic, because Preeti, we're not able to hear you.
Yes, ma'am. बोलूं मैं?
Okay, go ahead, Preeti. Yes, बोलिए.
मैम, मेरा एग्जाम सेंटर 300 किलोमीटर दूर है और एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन उस दिन मेरा यहाँ कोई भी ट्रेन नहीं है। मैम, मैंने चेक किया एग्जाम सेंटर तक जाने के लिए ट्रेन या फिर बसेस वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं चल रही है मैम। और मेरे फादर भी नहीं है, उनकी डेथ हो चुकी है, सिर्फ मेरी मदर है। मेरी मदर हार्ट पेशेंट है मैम, और उनका अभी रिसेंटली ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी हुआ है। मैम, मैं खुद एक ऑटो इम्यून डिसीज की पेशेंट हूँ। अगर मैं किसी भी तरीके से एग्जाम सेंटर तक जाती भी हूँ मैम, और मैं अगर इम्पोज होती हूँ कोरोना से, तो मैम मेरे लिए बहुत खतरा हो जाएगा, यहाँ तक कि मेरी मदर के लिए भी। और मेरे घर में सिर्फ मैं और मेरी मदर है मैम।
तो अभी आपने क्या सोचा है? वहां से बसेस अवेलेबल है या आप नहीं जाएंगे बिल्कुल भी, या किसी से प्राइवेट व्हीकल हायर करके जाएंगे? क्या ऑप्शंस आपने डिस्कस किए अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ?
प्राइवेट व्हीकल तो नहीं कर पाएंगे बिकॉज ईडब्ल्यूएस कैटेगरी से हैं मैम। और बाकी अगर सरकार कुछ व्यवस्था करती है तो ही जा पाएंगे मैम एग्जाम सेंटर तक। बाकी मैंने 2 साल तैयारी की है मैम, तो अगर उस दिन मैं एग्जाम देने नहीं जा पाती हूँ तो शायद मेरे लिए बहुत बुरा होगा मैम।
ये आप सही कह रहे हैं और यही सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, वो लोग जो नहीं पहुंच पाए। इनफैक्ट यही चीज़ एक दूरदर्शन के इंटरव्यू में नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी की चेयरपर्सन से पूछा भी गया था और उन्होंने बोला एक बार एग्ज़ाम हो जाए उसके बाद देखेंगे, क्योंकि क्लियरली अभी उस पर कोई पॉलिसी है नहीं उनकी कि जो लोग नहीं पहुंच पाए कोविड की वजह से उनके साथ क्या होगा। सनत आलोक भी जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं। सनत, many people say, why do youngsters want to waste their year? What is the point of asking for postponing of exams? 3 महीने बाद भी तो कोरोना वायरस यही होगा, क्या बदल जाएगा? आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके लिए?
हम बदल जाएगा, सेंटर बदल जाएगा, बिल्कुल बदलेगा, सेंटर बदलेगा और एसओपी बदलेगा। एक बेटर मैनेजमेंट के साथ सरकार आ सकती है और यही बदलाव हम देखना चाह रहे हैं। And basically a piece of paper can't decide your future. We are very familiar with that point, but this here, a piece of paper, this is deciding my upcoming future. This is deciding that I will have the symptoms of corona. This is deciding that my father will also have the symptoms of corona. He can also have the symptom of corona. So this paper is deciding, this paper is putting even my family at risk. So what the government wants, he is saying that, and the Pokhriyal sir is saying that everyone is downloading their admit card. I say you on the ground level, when we go to cafe for asking our admit card, he asks for ₹10 for even sharing the details of the center. So there is two options for us. Either you download your admit card, he will charge you ₹10. If you ask for him center, he will charge ₹10. So what we will do? We will ask him to download and give us paper. So that only we ask. That doesn't mean we want to give the exam. We want you to come with a better SOP, better management. That is just we want. We don't want to waste even our academic year. This is not your academic year. This is our academic year. We are more. We even want more of us to be in this academic year. Why to even argue over this? We are not demanding to reduce the petrol price. We are not demanding NTCA and many of the issues you are going to, the economy is going on. We are not demanding even that issues. We are demanding just for the safety of our life. And even the government seems not to be considerable in this also. We cannot raise our voice for our health issues also. You are putting our life at risk. Do you want to put everyone's life at risk? It is not even, the matter is not about 2 lakh students or 3 lakh students. The matter is about 30 lakhs students and 30 lakhs family. You're putting 1 crore life at risk. Why to even argue about just pass the bill now? Just listen. Supreme Court must listen. That is my point.
Okay, okay, understandable. Sanat Alok, JEE aspirant with us this evening. Let me actually go across to Kapil Gupta, founder and CEO of NEET Prep. Kapil, there are many who are wondering if there can be any impact of today's Supreme Court verdict, on even these entrance exams. Now, while the legal experts will tell us later if or not there is an impact, but if we say that the states under the Disaster Management Act do have the authority to decide whether an exam can be conducted now or needs to be postponed basis the COVID situation. Could there be a scenario where some states are then not holding exams and the others are? Because these are nationwide exams. Every single student needs to have the same opportunity.
See, Tanvi, there is actually a solution possible to this problem. So what can happen is, I don't know many of the viewers are aware of the fact that 85% of the seats in any state are reserved for students of that state only. There is a domicile criteria through which even today only 15% of the seats are filled through All India counseling, 85% are filled through state counseling. So if the government starts listening to the solutions, I again want to say, and I've been repeating it in my multiple appearances, I don't think this is the right time to conduct the exam because the logistics, the way they should be thought through at the local level have not been thought through. There has only been a letter which has gone from NTA to state authorities. Please make sure you are ready. There is going to be a lot of logistical accommodation, etc. things required. But there is a simple solution possible. The solution is let states conduct their own examinations for the 85% seats that are available for the students from that state only. That is the requirement. 85% seats in Bihar in the medical colleges in Bihar, around 1,100 seats which are there in Bihar, 85% have to be filled by students from Bihar. Remaining 15% seats which are there, let students who want to participate in All India Counseling appear on the 13th, give states the option of conducting the exam anytime till 30th October or 15th November, and tell them a deadline that we want the session to start on 15th December. But somehow, no one is listening. It just seems that somehow this girl who is there 300 kilometers away, she would be able to get into a train which does not exist. She would be able to reach 300 kilometers, ma'am, just to be sure. I have worked in Bihar. To travel 300 kilometers in Bihar through a bus means she would have to travel a day before, stay somewhere in Gaya or Patna, wherever her center is, and then appear for exam tomorrow, next day. And she cannot leave the same day. It is dangerous. It is going to become night. She's probably going to be alone. Her mother is not going to go with her. So she would have to then travel tomorrow. What is this? It is completely ununderstandable. There are simple solutions possible. Let's just think through it and let us have 1.5 months to actually implement these solutions. I don't know why no one is listening to these simple solutions that are possible, because the reality is exam needs to be conducted. Today's decision very clearly Supreme Court is saying no degrees without exam. Sure, let us honor that. No degrees without exam. But let us be better prepared. COVID situation is not going to become better in October or November or December. Everyone in India is not going to be vaccinated in October, November and December. But exam can be conducted with better thought that has gone into how these logistics are going to happen. Can we involve states? Can we build a consensus? Let's get everyone on the table and solve this problem. It is a very solvable problem. I don't know why no one is thinking through the solution.
So, unfortunately, no, because Kapil, it's become about ego now. Now, this has become unfortunately political. This has unfortunately become an ego battle. Center won't back down. National Testing Agency wants to stand by its, argument that we have increased the testing centers. We are prepared. Where will we get invigilators overnight? And the state governments and other parties are only interested in politicizing the issue. Nobody is thinking about on-ground solution for these students. That exactly is the problem. In fact, let me ask. Yeah, go ahead, Kapil.
I was just saying, I don't know, I'm slightly annoyed with the opposition parties as well. Why can't they come up with practical solutions rather than just jumping all over the place? It is just another government has taken a rigid stand. Political parties want to take political mileage out of it, and these 4 kids are going to get grinded in between these 2 positions.
Absolutely, I completely agree with you. Let me bring in Dheeraj Kumar, a JEE aspirant, joining me this evening. Dheeraj, क्या प्लान बनाया है आपने? आपका एग्जाम तो बस आ ही गया, 2-3 दिन बचे हैं. कैसे जाएंगे आप एग्जाम सेंटर?
मैम यहाँ पे बसेस तो चालू हो गई है मैम, यहाँ से पटना के लिए. तो मैम प्लान वही है कि अब जो है उसी में करेंगे मैम, बस से ही जाएंगे, बिकॉज कोई और अब रास्ता है नहीं मैम यहाँ से. और ये कहीं ना कहीं पेपर हमारे लिए काफी इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है मैम. मेरा ये ड्रॉप ईयर है मैम, तो मेरे लिए काफी इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो कि मुझे देना ही होगा. सो मैम लेट्स होप, अब भगवान ही बचा सकते हैं, हमें क्या कर सकते हैं मैम.
धीरज, पूरी तैयारी हो गई आपकी? आर यू फुली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द एग्जाम? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये वाला.
या मैम, आई एम फुली प्रिपेयर्ड.
चलिए, दैट इज वेरी गुड. शिवकांत सिंह राजपूत, ऑल्सो फ्रॉम बिहार, ही इज इन समस्तीपुर. शिवकांत, आपका सेंटर कहाँ है?
मैम एक्चुअली बिहार में 2 सेंटर्स थे, पटना एंड गया, एंड आई हैड गिवन द थर्ड प्रेफरेंस एज कानपुर. And I don't think how I could be so unfortunate, and I am given the third preference. My center is Kanpur, which is 700 kilometers from Samastipur, my location. And you can think now how I could manage to go there and where I could reside there. I don't have relatives in Kanpur, and moreover, I don't think it's safe to stay in hotel right now. There is also flood in my town. It's very difficult for me, and I don't know how to manage it.
700 kilometers away, the third preference that you had given, because, and ये बात हमने repeatedly highlight की है, Patna only has 2 examination centers, only 2 for NEET exam, which is why Shivkant will have to go all the way from Samastipur to Kanpur, 700 kilometers away. That's going to be a problem. Thank you everybody for joining us. Our intent is to highlight that so that your state government, National Testing Agency, center comes up with a solution. I still am hopeful at least for the NEET aspirants because उनका एग्जाम 13th को है, अभी थोड़ा समय है, शायद कि कुछ फैसिलिटीज़ या कुछ तैयारी कर पाएँ, स्पेशल बसेस चला ले, कुछ करें माइग्रेंट्स के लिए जैसे किया था. All the best to the students. Kapil Gupta, thank you as always for joining us on this conversation. Viewers, in fact, this is a Mirror Now campaign. And we are asking students from across the country, especially those who are not in the city where their exam center is, and they will have to travel. Tell us, how do you plan to travel? Tell us what are the challenges, what are your concerns. Let's get your voice here on the platform and amplify it all the way to our government so that somebody at least hears you and helps you out. This is the Mirror Now campaign.